In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Nordvpn password quickly and easily. This step is important for keeping your account secure. First, log into your Nord account by visiting the Nordvpn website and entering your credentials. Once logged in, click on your email or username in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Here you can manage your personal details and security preferences. Next, find and click the Change Password button. NordVPN will send a password reset link to your registered email. Check your inbox or your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Click the link to open a secure page where you can enter a new password. For stronger security, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid easy-to-guess information like birthdays or common words. Confirm your new password, save the changes, and you're done. Remember to store your new password safely, ideally in a password manager. Changing your NordVPN password is a simple yet essential step to maintain your online privacy and security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.